Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year 2021. I hope this year brings a lot normal life back to us with the vaccine coming in. But fingers crossed as we are still in lockdown. And I'm very sorry. I would like to apologize. I was not posting lately. Today's video will be a very interesting one because this will be about journaling. I have been a kid who has been, I don't know if you guys know about journaling, but it's more about writing your thoughts or the events or your task and everything into a diary, maintaining a diary or a journal. So that's what we're gonna see. We're gonna see the bullet journal, which is kind of a journal which people use for increasing their productivity, to plan for the day-to-day tasks, to plan their months, to plan their year. I know because of the circumstances, there is not much planning we can do in certain areas, but yes, still we have a lot of things which we can do. It's still in under control. Now let's jump in and I'll show you how I do it. It's very simple. I follow KISS, which is like keep it simple and sweet. Okay, so before starting with the 2021 one, I would want to show you my 2019. This was just a fancy diary I got, Follow Your Dreams 2019, and I started writing my New Year goals, the books I want to read, all those things, and then I started putting stuff in there. Like, it was very rough kind of a notebook which I used to maintain everything. So this was my 2019 diary because there is some stuff I can't show you more, but this was the one I used to do before. But in 2020 I started, oh, I forgot to tell you, I used to even get this kind of notebooks. This is also very nice journal. Like, you can just put everything here, all your quotes. I used to put all the quotes, then to put my task, and then what I ate, my shopping list, my water and everything similarly. So I started doing these things as well, but then I shifted to the bullet journal. So this bullet journal I got, it's become a bit of, because of everyday usage. So this is my 2020. I started it with some quotes, followed by all these. So there was this index which tells me which is task, event, appointment. You can create your own syntax, whatever you want to. And apart from that, this page I left for the quotes. Like, I like to put some quotes from the books I do. And after that, it was this part which I got. So I put all the birthdays, all the birthday anniversaries, so that I don't forget it. Then I had some things which I wanted, all of them ticked. 2 I got as gift, 2 I bought. My book list, so all these books are also done. In fact, I did more than this book list. After that, I got my calendar made up for the month, and whatever was important, I used to put that, which I know beforehand. If you want to pay bills or put some tasks, you have to visit someone, you can put it. So that will be a monthly kind of. Then you put a January check-in, like emotionally how I feel, physically how I feel, spiritually how I feel, what are my health and fitness rules. So this part, it can be anything which you want to do, which you want to track. Whatever I wanted to track, I have put that. Then I had my yearly goals all listed down here. So then I had my January goals, then I had my habit tracker. So exercise, 10K steps and all these, whatever you want to put a habit, a new habit for. So whenever I used to do it, I used to just color it, and this would keep me very much inspired. And obviously reading and brushing my teeth in the night and having warm water, having 10K steps, all of this have been now a part of my lifestyle. I don't do these trackers now. I don't need it. Then some expenses and saving you can put. Then I divided my diary into the weekly thing, and I started putting task. on it, tasks and events. So this way it went. So to advise on how to start with the bullet journal 2021, or maybe if you are starting new, first thing you need to do is get a diary. I've again get a new bullet journal, this time a cheaper one because don't want it to waste money. So I've got this. So the basic layout will remain same as the 2021, but still to go into the steps like whatever I did last year, I wanted to just put that bullet journal 2021. So what are the things which I want to track? Like what are the things I want to actually put in my journal? So I think these are the 8 things which I definitely want to do. So you also would want to do it, but you might want to keep it very minimal or keep it simple, like your daily task or monthly things or something. But for me, I think all these things are very much required, and I'll be putting all these into my new bullet journal with some creativity. Of course, I'll do the creativity and I'll show you. Okay, so let's do the Shubharam of Bullet Planner 2021, or I always write Om Namah Shivaya. Shiv Bhakt, you know. So, अब मैं पेंसिल start. Okay guys, so finally my first version of bullet planner is done very simple things, not much complex. So starting page 2021, the key which I already told you, the quotes page, the birthdays. So I tried to make the cakes. I'll put the dates for the birthdays of my friends and family. Then my book list, which will be here, which I want to read. My wish list, like whatever I want to buy, that will be here. Coming on to the watch list, so whatever I want to watch in the Netflix this year, that will be here. And then now coming on to travel, if things are okay and I'm able to travel this year. Here it will come my yearly goals, which will be mainly some technical certification, some good YouTube videos, and obviously travels and practicing minimalism. Like I've got a lot of stuff. Just imagine how much stationery I have right now. I have to just use them all and finish it off. So this is my January check-in, the same like last year. And then expenses and savings, so basic you can list it here. My goals will come here for the month of January. And then for the habit tracker, like for last time I had a different kind of habit tracker, like this one. This one was my habit tracker, like wake up early, exercise and studying, whatever. So this habit tracker I have changed to this one. Just tried to change the style for this one. And this will be my spread for the weekly schedule. So I'll be filling all my tasks, events, appointments, whatever it will be. Then this one I forgot to mention, which I included last year later on, like my gratitude part. The gratitude is very important. Like this was my in November, that is the 2020 gratitude. So you have to be if you are grateful for anything in your life, if you think you're thankful, like for simple, if I say I'm thankful to the universe that I'm surviving this year, very simple, thankful to your parents, to your partner, to anyone, just mention that, count your blessings. That's what is required, and you'll really feel good. It makes a lot of difference. And last but not the least is the quotes and the new words, which I'll be writing later on. So this is our bullet journal 2021. I hope you like this video. If you want to do this, then do try once. It's very simple. And one more thing which I want to say is that I would be giving a diary or a journal to people, and I have 2 or 3 diaries with me, and I would like to see your comment if you wish to have that diary. And let me know, yeah, in the comment section, how do you feel and about journaling in general. And yes, if possible, I'll send you that diary, the people who are interested in. Thank you so much. Thank you.